your camera and I have to check. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Maxwell's last class I discussed Maxwell's electro means we discussed Ampere circuital law uh, and displacement current. Okay. Ampere Maxwell law. Okay. And in different form. And lastly Maxwell's electromagnetic equations in terms of E and B in any medium. Okay, we have four equations. Del dot E is equal to rho by epsilon. Del dot B is equal to 0. Del cross E is equal to minus dB by dt. And del cross B is equal to mu J plus JB. Okay. So which two equations are steady state equations? Pragya. Pragya, are you there?
Sir, del vector dot E vector is equal
Hello. Who can say?
Sir, I can. Uh,
Yes.
del
Please.
uh, del vector dot e vector is equal to sigma rho upon epsilon, or del vector dot b vector is equal to 0. These are steady
Okay.
state
So
equation.
del vector dot E vector is equal, that is not rho, sigma. This is rho. Rho means
Okay.
charge density. Rho divided by epsilon. And your second equation is del vector dot B vector is equal to 0. Equation 1 and 2 are known as steady state equations. Okay. So now, Topo, are you there? Nobody is responding. Sonila? Sonila? Okay. So who can say which two equations are known as time varying equations?
Yes, sir. I can say.
Yes. Soumya, yes. Soumya, I have forgotten your name. Yes. Soumya?
Sir, del vector cross E vector is equal to minus dB vector by dt.
Yes.
Del vector cross B vector equal to mu J vector plus ZD.
Very good. So that means the last two equations are known as time varying equations. Why time varying equations? Due to the presence of time factor. Here t is present, here is also t is present. So we can say this is time varying equations. Okay. Okay. Equation one is your Maxwell's first equation. Otherwise, it is also known as which equation? Parichay? Are you getting my question? Equation 1 is a different, this is differential equation of Maxwell's first equation in differential form. And another, otherwise it is also known as which equation? Who can say?
Sir, Gauss law in differential.
Yes, very good. This is a differential form. You can note down df. This is the different. Already we discussed. Here be you can write differential form of Gauss law. Gauss law in electrostatics, GLE. Okay. Similarly, this is differential form of Gauss law in magnetism, GLM. Is it visible properly? Okay.
Yes.
yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
third equation is differential form of which law? Faraday law,
Faraday law.
FL. And the fourth is your differential form of Ampere Maxwell law. Am I right? This is Ampere
Yes,
Yes.
Maxwell
sir.
law. So all of you mark on the right hand side you have the space. You can write. This is the differential form of Gauss law in electrostatics. The second is differential form of Gauss law in magnetism. Third one is your differential form of Faraday law. And the fourth one is differential form of Ampere Maxwell law. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
After that, we discussed the Maxwell's equation in free space. So the previous one was in any medium. This is in free space or vacuum. Free space or vacuum means absence of charge and current. So if there will be no charge, charge density will be 0. The first equation is equal to 0. Second equation is 0. Third equation is this. And this is your fourth equation. Because since there is no current, current density will be 0. So J is equal to 0. But JD is present. So JD is present, mu becomes mu naught into JD, and we know JD is equal to this. Okay, JD is equal to epsilon naught dE by dt. So look here, this is time varying equation. This is also time varying equation due to the presence of this dt. Okay. So I think it was the last discussion. Thank you. Anybody please interact.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we'll discuss. Right. Today is the date 18th, na 17th. Okay. So right. In terms of, you can write C. You write C. In terms of D and H. So we have discussed in terms of E and B. Now we shall discuss in terms of D and H. What is D? D for
Displacement.
electric displacement. Electric displacement
Electric.
vector. Electric displacement vector. So what will be your first equation? The first equation will be, Maxwell's first equation will be del vector dot D vector is equal to rho. You know already we have done. Okay? Del vector dot D vector is equal to rho. The second equation, del vector dot B vector is equal to 0. Okay? You can write del vector dot B vector is equal to 0. Okay? And the third equation is equal to, you write like this. Del vector dot D vector is equal to rho. Del vector dot B vector is equal to 0. Del vector plus E vector is equal to minus dB by dt or del B by del T, any one you can write. dB or del B by del T. Okay. The fourth equation becomes del vector cross H vector. If you want to write in terms of H, there will be no mu. J plus JD. J plus JD. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So next
Yes,
is
sir.
Yes, sir.
in free space. In free space, what will happen? In free space, so this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be minus del B by del T or dB by dt, any one you can write, and the del cross H is equal to JD. So JD is equal to epsilon del E by del T or dE by dt. So whatever you can write, del E or dE by dt. Okay, you have to write. Parichai, are you writing or not? Somya,
Yes, sir.
are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So this is Maxwell's equations in terms of D and H. This is in free space or vacuum. Only you replace E as D. If you replace E, if you replace D as E, if you replace D as E, and the equation will be like this, and simultaneously you can replace B as H, so there will be no mu. Okay, so JD is equal to epsilon naught del E by del T. So next, write Maxwell's equations in integral form. So these things already we have derived. Okay, only thing is I want to write on a single page so that it will be easily remembered. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
give the heading Maxwell's equations in integral form. Maxwell's equations in integral form. This is first one is equal to surface integration E vector dot ds vector is equal to 1 by epsilon 0 volume integration rho into dv. The second will be surface integration B vector dot ds vector is equal to 0. Third equation, all are Gauss law, electrostatics, magnetism, Faraday law, Ampere
सर कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है।
पोर कनेक्शन।
सर चले गए हैं।
नहीं नहीं सर नहीं चले गए, सर है। कौन बोल रहे सर चले गए? हेलो, am I audible?
यस सर।
यस सर।
आई एम वेरी पंक्चुअल, क्योंकि ना ये बीच में एक कॉल आ गया इसलिए वो डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया। ओके, सो दिस इज लाइन इंटीग्रेशन and this is line integration B vector dot dl vector is equal to mu naught surface integration J plus JD dot ds vector. Okay, Hassan Raja, nobody is responding. Kalam House, if people are so poor, sir is calling, nobody is responding. अरे प्रज्ञा, सौम्य,
Yes sir.
कौन तुम पिला माने एते इनएक्टिव कौन मु जानि परनी? केवल फिजिक्स क्लास रे ना सब क्लास रे एई भले इनएक्टिव? सर डाकिबे रेस्ट नाही, किछि नाही, लेखुच कि कोन करछ किछि नाही। क्लास भी पिला सब पिला जॉइन करनांती, कौन कथा कौन? ओके, लेखा सरला?
Yes sir.
Maxwell's equations in integral form. समय एक बार रीड करो, Maxwell's equations in integral form कौन हैला?
सर एपड़ को टी देखिबे।
कौन एकड़ को पाबा एबे कहलो लिखसलानी बोली?
सर किसी देखा
हैं? किछि देखा जाउनी किए तो ना कौन?
सर एपड़ साइड रे कि जहा लिखा है देखा जाउनी छी।
कौन ना कह हम आगे देखा जाउनी?
सूर्यमय साहब।
सूर्यमय साहित मु जते पचारती ना धरे डाकिला तो किछि सुनिवार नाही। मु स्टार्टिंग रो कहूची तमे लिखुछ कि नाही, हां कि नाही, सेई दुई तीन जण पिला सेई माने ही रेस्पोंड दउचंदी, आ तम बाकी माने कोड लिखा है नहीं?
सर इंटीग्रल
मैक्सवेल्स इक्वेशंस इन इंटीग्रल फॉर्म एगुड़ा सब डिराइव करा है ऑलरेडी। जते बळे गॉस लॉ इन इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स, इन मैग्नेटिज्म, फैराडे लॉ, एम्पियर मैक्सवेल लॉ सब जंक मु करनथली। राइट साइड रे लिखा हैला इक्वेशन नंबर दिया हिची, ता परे भी मु कहितली एटा होची मैक्सवेल्स फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इन डिफरेंशियल फॉर्म, एटा होची मैक्सवेल्स फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इन इंटीग्रल फॉर्म। एटा करा हिच ना नहीं सूर्यमयी?
यस सर।
सेई जिंस को आउ थरे रिपीट एथि पई करा होची, गोटे सिंगल पेज रे लिखले तमर मने रहिबो हैला। कौन लिखिलु क फर्स्ट इक्वेशन कौन लिखिलु सूर्यमयी क? अरे सुनुनी किसी? हेलो,
यस सर।
अरे कौन लिखे जो कहून फर्स्ट इक्वेशन कौन हैला इंटीग्रल फॉर्म रे?
लाइन इंटीग्रल ऑफ ई
एटा लाइन लिखा है ना, एटा लाइन लिखा है ना सरफेस लिखा है?
सरफेस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ई वेक्टर डॉट डीएस वेक्टर इक्वल टू 1 बाय एप्सिलॉन
1 बाय एप्सिलॉन नॉट।
यस सर।
तापर एटा कौन लिखा हैला? हेलो,
वेक्टर इंटीग्रेशन,
वेक्टर इंटीग्रेशन, वॉल्यूम इंटीग्रेशन, v फॉर
integration.
वॉल्यूम केते थर कहिबी? s फॉर सरफेस, v फॉर वॉल्यूम, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स?
वॉल्यूम इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ रो डीवी।
हाँ हेलो कौन हला कह सूर्यम भाई
सर माइक से बहुत नॉइज आ रहा।
ओके ये कौन हला ई वेक्टर डॉट ये परिचय परिचय हेलो हमें ऑडिबल
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कौन लिखा है फर्स्ट इक्वेशन पढ़ो मैक्सवेल्स फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इन इंटीग्रल फॉर्म
Surface integration of E vector dot ds vector equal to 1 by epsilon naught volume integration of rho dv.
सेकंड इक्वेशन
Surface integration of B vector dot ds vector equal to 0.
थर्ड इक्वेशन
Line integration of E vector dot dl vector equal to minus d by dt. Surface integration of B vector dot ds vector.
फोर्थ इक्वेशन
Line integration of B vector dot dl vector equal to mu naught surface integration of J vector plus JD vector into dot ds vector.
डीएस वेक्टर ओके लेखा सरला तो
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is all about the Maxwell's equations in differential form and in integral form. Either maybe MCQ based question or any type of 2-mark question or 4-mark question you have to remember. Okay. So this is all about your Maxwell's equations. Okay. So next give the heading significance of the Maxwell's equations. What are the significance? Okay. Significance. Right. Significance of Maxwell's equations. So significance, you see, significance, number 1 point you can write, all the laws given by the Maxwell's, all the equations given by Maxwell's, significance, all the okay, all the equations given by Maxwell's were developed experimentally. Okay. Number 2, Maxwell's third equation. Maxwell's third equation says that changing the magnetic field produces electric field and Maxwell's fourth equation says that changing the electric field produces the magnetic field. So alternate production of electric and magnetic field alternate production of electric and magnetic field give rise to the propagation of electromagnetic wave. Okay. सौम्य
Yes, sir.
रीड कर कौन लिखिलो
Significance. All the equations given by Maxwell were developed experimentally.
Okay,
Maxwell's
okay. Take a break. That means all the equations, Maxwell's first equation, second equation, third equation, and fourth equation, all the equations were proved and developed experimentally. The equations were verified experimentally. Okay. Next, second point.
Maxwell's third equation says that changing the magnetic field produces electric field.
Okay. Look, this is your Maxwell's third equation. Your Maxwell's third equation is del vector cross E vector is equal to minus dB by dt. So third equation said that dB by dt means what? Changing the magnetic field, or we can say rate of change of magnetic field. The rate of change of magnetic field produces the electric field. Am I right? So we
Yes,
can
sir.
say changing the magnetic field. If we change the magnetic field, we can produce the electric field. Similarly, what is your fourth equation said? Read. Maxwell's fourth equation said that changing the electric field. Look here. This is just reverse. dE by dt. Changing the electric field produces which one? Magnetic field. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Understood
sir.
or not? So here
Yes.
changing the magnetic field, producing electric field. Here changing the electric field, producing magnetic field. So this alternate production of electric and magnetic field give rise to the propagation of electromagnetic wave. So today we shall study that what is electromagnetic wave. Okay. Next, the third point you can write the speed of propagation of electromagnetic wave, right? The speed of propagation of electromagnetic wave and
The
its
speed of
existence
propagation.
and its the speed of propagation of electromagnetic wave and its existence could be proved from Maxwell's equations. The speed of propagation of electromagnetic wave and its existence could be proved from Maxwell's equations. Okay, so that means just I told you about the electromagnetic wave. What will be the speed of the electromagnetic wave? So that speed of the electromagnetic wave can be proved from the Maxwell's four equations. Okay, so this is all about. And the lastly, you can write the equation of continuity. So if question asks write significance, you have to write any 2 points. Equation of continuity. What is equation of continuity? Continuity, N-U-I-T-Y. Equation of continuity. Your current density and charge density. That means I can say del vector dot j vector, the proof is not required, plus d rho by dt is equal to 0. So here, who can say what is j? J for Rituraj,
Current
what is j? Current density, and rho be the Rituraj Lenka. खाली join charge density. So this is current density, this is charge density. There is a relation del vector dot j vector plus d rho by dt is equal to 0. So this equation is known as equation of continuity. So proof is not required. Okay. So this is the another part. The first unit we have completed of module 4. First, I completed your vector calculus electromagnetic wave. So you give the heading as electromagnetic wave. All of you give the heading as So here we have to do the derivations. Okay. So don't expect that you will appear the online exam. So it is not required. There will be no chance of the online examination. Okay. So this is electromagnetic wave. All of you give the heading as electromagnetic wave. This is the second unit of this module, electromagnetic wave. Okay. Okay. So Salla lekha salla electromagnetic wave. In short, I can say EMW. Okay. So you can write. Suppose I shall detect electromagnetic wave. You have to write EMW. Suppose you take any charged particle. This is a charged particle. Any charged particle. When the charged particle is in motion, okay, the charged particle is in motion. So what will happen? During the motion, the charged particle radiates energy in the form of wave. So that wave is called as electromagnetic wave. Okay, accelerating motion. If the charged particle has an accelerating motion and radiates energy in the form of wave, then that wave is called electromagnetic wave. Okay. If the charged particle has an accelerating motion and radiates energy in the form of wave, then that wave is called electromagnetic wave. Okay. So next, right, in electromagnetic wave, electric field vector E, in electromagnetic wave, electric field vector. So basically there are three components in electromagnetic wave. One is E for electric field, B for magnetic field, and K is known as direction of propagation. Okay. So right, in electromagnetic wave, electric field vector E with the vector symbol, magnetic field vector B, both are, what is the symbol? Both are perpendicular. Both are perpendicular. That means E is perpendicular to B vector. Both are perpendicular and also perpendicular to the direction of propagation, and also hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and also
Sir,
to direction of propagation. So direction of propagation means that is your K vector. Okay. Okay. So you do this diagram. This is your three dimension, y axis, x axis, z axis, and this is the wave. You have to do like this. The upper part, this is like this. Okay. So this is y axis, your electric field, your z axis, magnetic field, x axis with the K. K means direction of propagation. So here E is perpendicular to B, E is perpendicular to K, B is also perpendicular to K. That means both EBK are perpendicular to each other. So this is the pictorial representation of electromagnetic wave. Okay. So diagram complete.
Yes, sir.
Are you writing? Are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So what are the examples? What are the examples of the electromagnetic wave? So basically, X-rays. The example you can write X-rays, microwaves, radio waves. Okay. X-rays, microwaves. Okay. What are the examples of the electromagnetic wave? Radio waves, microwaves, X-rays. You can add also gamma rays. Okay, this is gamma rays.
Infrared.
We can also write
Sir, again.
in the examples of the electromagnetic waves are X-rays, gamma rays, radio waves. Okay, infrared, infrared, infrared waves, etc. Okay. So, if you see in our real life, can you tell me, in our real life we are using radio and TV, okay, radar, some military equipment, cancer therapy, communication device, okay. So, by which we can take the help of the electromagnetic waves. The electromagnetic spectrum, you can say, includes from longest wavelength to the shortest wavelength. Like as I said, radio waves, microwaves, infrared, your X-rays, gamma rays, ultraviolet. Okay, Vijayla?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I shall ask you, tell me the what household items that we use electromagnetic waves to function. Can you tell me? Many household appliances produce electromagnetic fields. कौन आमे जो यूज करते the low consumption of light bulbs. बुझेला टीवी कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन बुझे and
Sir, I can give you example. One example.
tell me
सर जो टोल गेट रे जो फास्टैग ପାଇଁ जो ଲାଗିଛି ଏବେ machine
yes
ସେଟା ବି electron
that is okay अब हमर बेसिकली आमे जो आजिकली सब हमर कोन करंट मीटर कम आसे ପାଇଁ सब आमे यूज करते लो कंजम्पशन लाइट बल्ब्स एबे सब होम एप्लायंसेस सब रेटिंग आसुनी 5 स्टार माने कंजम्पशन लेस सब 4 स्टार 3 स्टार बुझियोछि तनो आबा आमे जो लाइट बल्ब्स दिन थिला आम समय रे आमे सब स्कूल ले पढला बेले 100 वाट 150 वाट बल्ब सब थिला तापर ट्यूब लाइट एबे ट्यूब लाइट नै सब कोन आसीला एलईडी लाइट नै कि
एलईडी लाइट
सब चलछि तनो so that is low consumption light bulbs produces electromagnetic fields. The TV screen, computer screen, your radar, electric blankets is there. So these are all. Achha, who can say the how TV use electromagnetic wave? Anybody want to tell me?
ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ
केमती यूज
सिग्नल
कराउती
ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ सिग्नल
transmission of signal. Very good. हमारा सब antenna था. The antenna on your TV set receive the signal ହେଲା the
Yes, sir.
antenna कौन करे the antenna receive the signal in form of the electromagnetic wave so that is broadcasted from TV station the signal is then तापर कौन करा जाए तापर signal टाको send करा जाए through cable to your house so this is the mechanism बुझी पड़लो ना नहीं
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
टीवी स्टेशन रू आमर ये जो अच्छी भुवनेश्वर रे जदि टाइम परमिट्स रे तमर गोटे स्टडी टूर भी जाई पारो तमे देखिबो
Yes, sir.
आमे ए जो आमर दूरदर्शन केंद्र अछि आकाशवाणी कटक ये सब अच्छी जो आमर भुवनेश्वर जो अच्छी प्रसार भारती बा दूरदर्शन केंद्र सेठी कोन होची हां आमर घरे जो एंटेना अछि सबसे अच्छा सेठी जो एंटेना रिसीव द सिग्नल सिग्नल केमती रिसीव करिवो ये कोन ये हेछि जे ताको कैप्चर करिवो द एंटेना रिसीव द सिग्नल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव जोटा कि ब्रॉडकास्ट होछि टीवी स्टेशन रे सेही सिग्नल टा ये जोटा रिसीव कला सेही सिग्नल टा द सिग्नल इज सेंट थ्रू ए केबल ऑप्टिकल फाइबर आमे भी कहि परिया फाइबर ऑप्टिक्स रे थ्रू ए केबल टू योर होम बुझे अछि
मम्मी खाए भी भोक
चलो these are the examples of the benefits of the electromagnetic wave okay किंतु आमे जो सेल फोन रे कोटा यूज करा होछि को
मोर ठीक हवा दरकार तमे बंद
सेल फोन
मोर ठीक हवा दरकार संध्या
आमे जो टावर रो जो आमे सेल फोन यूज करूचे सेटा को वेव्स यूज करा होछि
Radio wave.
कहूना
Radio wave.
रेडियो वेव दैट इज आरएफ हैला आरएफ वेव्स बुझुछि এটা ওটে আরএফ এটা ডিউ টু আরএফ ওয়েভস ওকে so these are this is electromagnetic wave the main thing is so there are basically three component electric field magnetic field and the direction of the propagation so all E B K are mutually perpendicular okay so now as per your syllabus the since physics is nothing the numerical derivations so we have to derive the electromagnetic wave equation so all of you give the heading okay so electromagnetic wave equation so we have to establish two equations kono gote jetu electromagnetic wave consists of E and B so we have to establish the wave in form of in terms of E and also in terms of B so this is the long question so if situation normal, if the COVID situation improves, so in offline examination there will be the long question every year question asked derive electromagnetic wave equation in terms of E or in terms of B. So you can write the heading as electromagnetic wave equations okay for E and B E for electric field B for magnetic field okay so this is also asked in first internal in gift I asked this question okay so lekha salla LQ man
Yes, sir.
electromagnetic wave equations for E and B first we have to write in terms of E for electric field. After completing E, then we have to write in terms of B. Okay. So look here. In terms of E, either E or B, we have to discuss three subcases. Case 1, case 2, and case 3. So next write case 1. Case 1, you give the heading for a charge-free conducting medium. For a charge-free conducting medium. अरे लिखते चलो नहीं charge-free
Yes, sir.
conducting medium. Okay, charge-free conducting medium. Okay, so charge free conducting medium means we have to, there is a medium where charge is absent, there is no charge, but the medium conducts. Okay, so what do you mean by conducting medium? First tell me, what do you mean by conducting medium? The medium through which the electricity pass. Thank you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Give the examples. Give the examples of a conducting medium. Your cables,
Metal.
wire, all metals. Okay, conducting media means all metals, we can say, all electrical wires through which electricity can easily pass. Okay, so we have to establish a conducting medium, but there will be no charge. Charge free. Next, right? Charge free means Q is equal to 0. So mathematically I can write Q is equal to 0. If there will be no Q, charge density will be 0, rho is equal to 0. Since the medium is conducting, so current density is there, current is present. So current is present means what will be the current density? J. J is equal to sigma into E. Sigma with the conductivity. So here sigma is known as conductivity. J with the current density. Okay. J is equal to sigma into E. Sigma is known as conductivity. So we have to make a medium which is conducting in nature. That means current is present, but our assumption is there is absence of charge. Okay. So now I am going to establish the electromagnetic wave equation in terms of E. In terms of E. Okay. So for this, what will happen? We have to take the help of the Maxwell's equations. Okay. Without the help of Maxwell's equations, we cannot establish. Okay. So next, right? So your Maxwell's first equations, as usual, there will be no change. You conducting medium, but charge free means del vector dot E vector is equal to 0. The second equation, del vector dot B vector is equal to 0. And this is my third equation, del vector plus E vector is equal to minus dB by dt. And this is my fourth equation, del vector plus B vector is equal to mu J plus JD. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is, you don't write this part, either dB by dt and del B by del T both are same. So del cross B is equal to this. Now you multiply mu into J, mu into JD. What is J? J is equal to mu into sigma E plus G. Already we discussed JD is equal to mu epsilon del E by del T. Okay. So JD is the current density. Okay. JD with the current density, displacement current density, which is equal to epsilon into del E by del T. So let it is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3 and equation 4. Okay. हो गया सबका? Mu epsilon del E by del T. Okay. So next. Now you write taking curl, C-U-R-L, taking curl from left on both sides of equation 3. Taking curl.
Yes, sir.
If you take curl from left on both sides of equation 3. So what will be your answer? Who can say? Taking curl from left. Curl means already we discussed. How can you write curl of a vector? Pragya? अरे कुछ भी रेस्पॉन्स करो कौन है पिला तमे ऋतुराज ऋतुराज हेलो
Sir, del vector into
ମୁଁ କହିଥିଲି del vector into କହିଥିଲି
sir del vector cross
suppose ଆମେ
Del
ଲେଖିବା
vector
curl
cross.
of del vector cross the vector. Suppose curl of a vector A means del vector cross a vector. So I want to write curl of taking curl from left. Taking curl from left means okay. So I have to multiply del cross. I have to multiply del cross here from the left again from the left here. Okay. So right. If you take the curl, your answer, you have to write like this, taking curl from left on both sides of equation 3, we get, so this is my equation 3, I want to take curl, curl means this is del cross, so I have to take del cross here, again del cross here, okay, हो गया, a line हो गया, del cross E is equal to minus del cross in del B by del T. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to apply one formula. What is the del cross E? Already I told you in successive operation of the del operator.
0.
No, del cross E. Everybody, you turn your last page. Last page means the vector calculus. जहाँ पे कॉल खत्म हुआ है लिखा था क्या?
Del into del dot A.
No, successive operation of the del operator. वही पेज को जाओ सब everybody. Successive जहाँ पे गॉस डाइवर्जेंस
सर मिल गया। चार
मिल गया।
नंबर
क्या है? वेरी गुड। क्या है पढ़ो, एक बार पढ़ाई करो। डेल क्रॉस ए, व्हाट इज योर आंसर?
सर डेल तापर ब्रैकेट अछि
डॉट ए,
डेल into del dot a minus
तापर माइनस डेल स्क्वायर
del
ए
square
वेक्टर
a,
ई
okay.
वेक्टर।
You see, so here I used that formula. I have used that formula. Del cross E is equal to del dot E. This is minus del square E.
del square e,
Okay. Okay. Is equal to. Now come to the right hand side. So right hand side is del cross del B by del T. You just interchange. First you write del by del T, then you insert this del inside. So there will be no change. Only thing is I have to write del by del T first, next del cross B. Okay, look here. What is your del vector dot E vector? What is your del vector dot E vector?
0.
0. It is your Maxwell's first equation. So this term vanishes. Now look here. This is minus del square E. This is minus del by del T. Minus cancel. Okay. So the rest term is equal to, this is del square E. Del square E is equal to del by del T, del vector cross B vector. Okay. So what is your del vector cross B vector? Equation number 4. Parichay, what is your del vector cross B vector? Right here. अरे इक्वेशन 4 में क्या है तुम्हारा? डेल वेक्टर क्रॉस बी वेक्टर का वैल्यू कितना है? ओके, म्यू इंटू जे प्लस जे डी, जे के जगह में ऑलरेडी हम पुट कर दिए हैं सिग्मा इंटू ई प्लस म्यू इप्सिलॉन डेल ई बाई डेल टी हम पुट कर दिए हैं। दिस इज फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 4। लुक हियर, ये म्यू सिग्मा कांस्टेंट टेकिंग आउटसाइड, since the variable is electric field we have to take del E by del T. Similarly mu epsilon is constant taking outside. If you take del by del T of del E by del T, what will be your answer?
Del square E by
del T square. Del square E by del T square. Now rearranging the terms, del square E यहाँ पे प्लस लिखा है, bring to the left hand side, this becomes minus mu epsilon del square E by del T square is equal to mu sigma del E by del T. Okay, so you make a box, you give it, it is equation number 5. So this equation 5 is known as electromagnetic wave equation, EMW, electromagnetic wave equation in terms of E, in terms of, ये देखो हर पोजीशन में E ही प्रेजेंट है। ओके, सो यहाँ पे E, यहाँ पे E, यहाँ पे E है, सो वी कैन से इट इज द इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव इक्वेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ E फॉर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड। ओके, समझ में आया?
yes sir.
Okay, the right hand side mu sigma into del E by del T, that is known as dissipative term. So which one is known as the dissipative term? The right hand side is known as dissipative term. The right hand side, everybody एक बार चेक करके देखो ठीक से। The right hand side is known as dissipative term. Okay, complete.
Yes sir.
Okay. What do you mean by dissipative? Dissipative means it is scattered in various directions. Okay. So this is equation 5 is your electromagnetic wave equation in terms of E for a charge free conducting medium. Then you write case 2. Case 2 is for a charge free non conducting medium. For a charge free non conducting medium. What do you mean by charge free non conducting medium? Who can? Charge free means Q is equal to 0, rho is equal to 0. So now
Absence of
non-conducting,
charge.
absence of charge and absence of current. The current is a bad, that means the medium is a bad conductor. That means through which the current electricity cannot pass easily. So no charge, no current. So Q is equal to 0, rho is equal to 0. So since no current, sigma is equal to 0. Sigma is equal to 0 means J is equal to 0. So only thing is, you see the trick. After deriving the equation 5, you put sigma is equal to 0. So if you put sigma is equal to 0, the equation reduces to equation number 6, which is known as for a charge free non conducting medium. समझ में आया? Only thing is, we have to put sigma is equal to 0 on equation number 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, case 3. Case 3, in free space or vacuum. In free space or vacuum. So what will happen? So free space or vacuum, again, there is no charge, no current. Only we have to put mu is equal to mu naught. लिखो, putting mu is equal to mu naught, epsilon is equal to epsilon naught in equation 6. Equation 6 में mu के जगह में mu naught, इप्सिलॉन के जगह में इप्सिलॉन नॉट पुट करो, ये जो इक्वेशन हो जाएगा ये तुम्हारा फ्री स्पेस का इक्वेशन, इक्वेशन 7, डेल स्क्वायर ई माइनस म्यू नॉट इप्सिलॉन नॉट डेल स्क्वायर ई बाय डेल टी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0, that is equation number 7. So this equation 7 is known as electromagnetic wave equation in free space or vacuum in terms of E for electric field. Okay, सबका हो गया? Everybody, have you written or not? Only listening.
Yes, sir, written.
Okay. So one part we have completed. One part means the electromagnetic wave equation in terms of E in free space, in a charge-free conducting medium, in a charge-free non-conducting medium. Okay. Now we can establish in terms of B. अभी क्या करेंगे? लिखो नंबर 2 करके, in terms of B. EMW equation, electromagnetic wave equation in terms of B. Electromagnetic wave equation in terms of B. B for magnetic field. So I am giving you the task. Everybody, you have to do at your home. First case, right? Case 1 क्या लिखेंगे बताओ ना? केस 1 क्या होगा? For a
conducting medium.
Charge-free conducting medium. देखो, for a charge-free conducting medium. For a charge-free conducting medium. Case 1 for a charge-free conducting medium. Okay. So in case of E, we have taken the curl of E of equation 3. So यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? Taking curl of equation 4. लिखो. Taking curl from left on both sides of equation 4. So directly you can write for a charge-free conducting medium means Q is equal to 0, rho is equal to 0, J is equal to sigma E. Already you have written like this: charge free Q is equal to 0, rho is equal to 0, and current density J is equal to sigma E. After that you write taking curl from left on both sides of equation 4. On both sides of equation 4. Okay? हो गया? Taking curl from left on both sides of equation 4. अरे लिखला ना नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
So you have to do the same process. So today you have to do, and you have to send me on WhatsApp, my WhatsApp number. For a charge-free conducting medium, non-conducting medium, and in free space. I shall not repeat this again. समझ में आया सबको? Only
Okay,
thing,
sir.
जैसा हम बना दिए हैं E के लिए, वही हिसाब से होगा चार्ज फ्री कंडक्टिंग मीडियम के लिए, नॉन कंडक्टिंग मीडियम के लिए, फ्री स्पेस के लिए, ठीक है? सेम प्रोसेस E के जगह में ओनली B हो जाएगा. शुरू से हम क्या करेंगे? हम कर्ल लेंगे. कौन सा इक्वेशन का? इक्वेशन 4 का. टेकिंग कर्ल फ्रॉम लेफ्ट ऑफ इक्वेशन 4. ओके? वन
Present, sir.
2
Yes, sir.
अभिनंदन.
Yes, sir.
माने खाली क्लास रे चुपकिना बसी जाउछ नहीं, किछि टिके इंटरेक्शन करिबा कि लिखिबा सुनिबा किछि नहीं. खाली लिंक
कौन-
ऊपर क्लिक करिकि हमें चुपचाप एटी बसिबो. हला?
नहीं सर रेस्पॉन्स
सब
करूँ
वीआईपी सब जाक वीआईपी पिला गिफ्ट रो हाँ सार ना धरिकी डाकिबे शुणिबनी हाँ एमती आमर ऑनलाइन एग्जाम हो गले आमे केमती कॉपी करके पास कर दिबु सरला सार एने डाकिकी फुकी होतबे खाली अदर्स
यस सर
तम सब माने वीआईपी पिला सब तो गोटी गोटी की ना धरिकी तुमको स्वागत करके डका हबो कौन पढ़ा होती कौन नहीं कौन लिखुच किसी सेगुड़ा भी इंटरेक्शन नहीं आदित्य आलोक अमन
यस सर
अमन तो अरे जदि पढ़िबार इच्छा नहीं कहीं क्लास करूचु अमन आनंद आज
हिंदी
ओडिया
बोलिए
नॉन ओडिया हाँ
नॉन
हिंदी
उड़िया
हिंदी में बोलिए जे तुम्हारा पढ़ाई का इंटरेस्ट है तो कंटिन्यू करो ये क्या इतना देखो ये सब एब्सेंट 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 एक क्लास हुआ था फिर 2 क्लास के बाद आज क्लास हो रहा है मैं नो द रीजन
कोरोना हो गया
इंटरेस्ट नहीं तो मत आओ क्लास को ठीक है अमित कुमार अर्जित अरुण आशीर्वाद
यस सर
यस सर
पद मंत्री
यस सर
आज लिखी सब आशीर्वाद नोट अपडेट करिचो
आज्ञा सर लिखित आज्ञा सर
आशुतोष कुमार विकास चिन्मय बेहरा
यस सर